Hello universe. So today I'll be showing you how to enable your fingerprint scanner in order to use it on your Windows device. Initially, when you buy a new laptop and you want to put in your fingerprints like the one I have over here, you're just going to see that the option is unavailable and you won't be able to do much about it. Today I'll be showing you how the full process on how you can enable it and start using your fingerprint in order to unlock your laptop. So initially you can put a Windows pin for the meantime before you be able to do this. Then I'm just going to start this laptop here. If your device ready on, you can just restart it. Then on restart, you press the F10 key in order to start it. Then you're going to see a memory test. You use your arrow key down and go to the exit and click exit. Then say yes, and it will take you to this HP computer setup. You're just going to use your arrow key, you press this, then go to the advanced option. After you go to advanced option, you're going to see in built-in device option. So you're just going to click it. As you can see, you see a lot of features here that you have to enable. I'm just going to also enable this. Then you scroll down. Over here you're going to see a fingerprint device, and here I've already enabled mine. So I'm just going to go back to the main. Then after you've enabled it, you're going to save changes and click yes. Then the computer loads. So you're just going to restart it again. Then it'll load up. You see it's working. If it shows the advanced option or restart PC, you're just going to click restart PC, then it will restart again. If you're new to my channel, you can like this video, subscribe and share it to your friends. I'll put my Instagram links below, so you can go and follow me here and hit me up if you have any problem. As you can see, I've already enabled my Face ID. I'm just going to go to the settings. Yeah, you can see it, so just going to click it. Then in your settings, you just check for the sign-in options. You're going to see it. I'm using a Windows 11 Pro, by the way, so you can upgrade your Windows if you have the required specs for it. Then after you see that, you'll be able to see the sign in with your fingerprint scanner recommended. If it's not showing on your laptop, if you're not still seeing this feature, you check your device manager, then you click enter. There's some creases here. So you're going to check the biometrics down here. Then you're going to see this. That's to show that you have enabled the fingerprint. After that, you're just going to go to your browser. You go to HP support, customer support website. And after filling in your laptop serial number and everything, it will take you to your specific laptop drivers. Over here you're just going to see keyboard, mouse and input devices. After you see it, you're just going to see this uh snap it touch fingerprint driver. After you download it, as I've already done, you refresh your 3 times. After that, you go to your settings and you'll be able to see that you'll be able to set up your fingerprint. Then you just click the setup, then click get started. You put in your pin, so you're just going to keep tapping it. Then you have the option to add another finger if you want. Then you just close. So I'm just going to lock my system here. Then alright, you can see I logged in with my fingerprints, and voila, that's all. Thank you. Make sure you hit the red subscribe button, like this video, share to your friends, and I hope this was helpful.